front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling to click on Google section available here. Then select All Services. Scroll again and tap on AutoFill with Google over here. Then click on Google Password Manager and select any password you wanna check. Enter your screen lock. Click on this eye icon and this way make your password visible, or if it's too long, click on Edit and check it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!